Well, hello folks, it's a whole new day, January the 3rd. And today we're doing a little tour of a human domicile. Begging your patience for the shaky camera here. This is being filmed on a tablet. So I'm going around a house. That's what we call a kitchen sink. Now, I don't want to be confusing here, but this is a toothbrush and normally belongs in the bathroom. But this is a toothbrush for our dog, and our dog gets her toothbrush cleaned in the kitchen. This is not our dog, this is our cat. Our cat's name is Manfreedah. Say hello to Manfreedah. Manfreedah, say hello to the creatures in the year 3020. Go on, say hello. Say hello. Okay, you want to meet that dog? Our dog's name is Booger. Put it right on the ground. Here comes Boogs. Boogs, whoop. Say hi to the folks, Boogs. They might be people really evolved in the year 3020, but they might be aliens. They might be lizards. All right. More later, eh, Boogs? More later. This is Mike, signing off.